show you the newer 35.4-inch octagon softbox. This is the quick release parabolic softbox. Would recommend making sure that you get this quick setup type. These work on all their big Fresnels because they all have, well, I should say cob lights. They're not Fresnels. But that works on any of those and of course any other. Get it set up. I don't have a lot of room in here to work, but if you see right here, that is, let me show you how tight it is. Boom. So once you pull that back, you get a good look at it, and then you can see your release right there. Folds up. Let me try it again. Boom. So it's that simple. And then you've got your Velcro all along here. Put in your diffuser material. I'm going to be setting these up in my studio, so I'll get you some more footage once the studio's all set up with the FS230s and these 35-inch octagons. Pretty thick diffusion panel. If you come down here, you've got, comes with two, so you can put one on the inside. So if you want to do what they call like a double diaper, you can do that if you want to make it super soft. Hey, on a side note, you do get the honeycomb 90 degree with the unit. So you also, like I said, get the second diffusion panel. So you get a lot going on there. And that light, that 230 light is so bright, I'm going to easily be able to put in that second diffusion panel in this light.